Hi, and welcome to Conserve Tutorials. Today we're going to look at the A, B, C, and D functions. Right now, as you can tell, I'm in the A. If I come to station times, you'll see there's an A there. Station 1 is set for 10 minutes and it's running on a percentage. If I select this to B, station 1 does not have any time programmed into it. I would have to set an amount of time, a duration, into that on a B cycle. Now, the best way to look at A, B, C, and D is as if we had 4 different controllers. This clock A is running for 10 minutes on each station and it has a start time at 2 a.m. If I come to B, it would be a third start time because A has 2 start times. This box is capable of doing up to 16 start times. So right now I would use a third start time. And I would have to make sure that I'm not setting it for the same amount of time or the same start time as A. So a 6 o'clock a.m. start time for B. That's my third start time. Now, station. As we've seen before, there's nothing selected on there. I'd have to put some time on each station to run a B station. Just like a separate controller. You'd have to go to calendar days, set the days you want on or off, start times and station times. Now, just because the dial or this selector is in the B mode and I come back to run, it doesn't mean it's just going to do B. No, I have a start time on A. In fact, I have 2 start times on A and a third start time on B right now. It will run A twice and then it will do a B cycle. This over here is only for programming. So as you can see, A, B, station 1 would be for 2 minutes. C, nothing's been selected. There's no start time, but that would be a 4th start time. And I could go and make a 5th start time. See, and then D would be a 6th start time. Okay? So it's just like 4 different controllers. Each controller has to have a start time, a station time, which is the duration, and the calendar days. What days do you want it to water? So I don't want to have all these start times on my controller. A 6th start time, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to take it away. I'm going to hit this minus button until I come to where it has nothing selected. That's on D. There is no start time. Did I set any station times? No. Now I will go up to C. No station times, but I did put start times, so I'm going to minus that. There. There is no 4th start time. B. I want to take away that as well. When I see all of that, that means there's nothing selected for a 3rd start time. Now, back to A. I have 1 start time at 2. If I hit next, I go to the minutes. I could make it 2:30 if I desire. Hit the next again, and you see a 2nd start time's 4 a.m. That's what I want. Back to the run position. Why do I have 2 start times 2 hours apart? Because my grass is on a slope and I do not have good absorption rate. Therefore, I get a lot of runoff. If I try to put down the amount of water that it needs each day, I need to give it a cycle and a soak. So I'll run through for half the amount of time that I want to get into the roots, and then I'll have to hit it again later so I'm not losing water. Thank you for watching. Here at Conserve, we realize what a precious resource we have with our water. That's why we hope that you'll find these videos beneficial in helping you on your way to water conservation.